If you operate a multifamily portfolio and you are looking for a better way to track your KPIs, you have come to the right place. Hi, I am Amy with RentViewer. We are specialists in data analytics and we understand multifamily investment and management. We have built hundreds of dashboards that display data from systems such as Yardi, Voyager, Appfolio, Rent Manager, and Entrata. Our dashboards help multifamily asset management and operations teams who want to proactively manage collections, occupancy, the leasing funnel, income, expenses, and more. As part of the Multifamily Command Center, we offer several pre-built dashboards that can be quickly connected to your system. On this page is a gallery of the dashboards that you browse through. We make it very easy for multifamily companies to work with us. These dashboards are available on a month-to-month subscription, and there are no long-term contracts. If you are using Rent Manager, there is no setup charge. The Command Center is available in 2 editions. Starter Edition comes with 5 dashboards. The Standard Edition includes 10. We will build the dashboards using Power BI, brand them with your logo, integrate them with your system, and publish them so that you and your team can view the dashboards on a web page. Browse through the gallery of dashboards and decide which ones you want to use. Fill out the order form. There's no payment required to place the order. We will provide you a demo of the dashboards and confirm we can integrate with your system before you make the initial payment. After we receive your order, we will schedule a demo with you to demo your dashboards branded with your company logo. We will review our pricing and terms, and only then will the initial payment be made and the dashboard setup started. Use the dashboards that other multifamily companies are using. Fill out the order form below and let's get started on building your multifamily command center.